Hello, welcome to a new world. For those of you that don't know, my name is Lou. I used to do this YouTube thing a while ago. This channel was built around kind of sharing small business ideas, tips, tricks, lots of Etsy stuff. I kind of fell off on doing it because I ran out of ideas and I didn't want to just create things just to create things. But I haven't stopped working. I haven't stopped trying to figure things out, trying to just build, tinkering, playing, pulling at threads. You guys know me. And my son, Lewis, is 13 now this year, and I immediately decided he needed to get a job. But you know me, I can't just like make him get a job. So I started to come up with business ideas, and so together we were talking about an idea for essentially like handling trash day for our neighborhood. You know, contracting for each individual person, monthly fee. He handles the takeout, he handles the putback. I actually would pay somebody to do this immediately. So selfishly, I was just hoping this would be a service that could be provided. Anyway, I built this out and it ended up being like a 62-page document that's like a step-by-step guide of building the brand and coming up with your logo. And I've got samples, I've got invoices. Everything's kind of put together and it's a lot of fun. There's a lot of insights, a lot of thoughts. It's essentially what I would have built a YouTube video series out of if I had the confidence and time. But I didn't. Instead, I have a Canva template and some pictures and icons of bisons. So I built this out through the Rusty Bison just as a way to share this idea, to share the content. It was a lot of fun. And genuinely, I would love to do this more often. I don't actually think anyone's going to buy this. Even if I think it's valuable, I think it's just weird, right? And kind of a unique concept in general. But I had a lot of fun doing it, and I want to do more things that give me fun. So if I have more ideas like this, I'm going to use the Bison as just a place to pop some of these instructional guides. So anyway, I wanted to share that I'm doing stuff, and it was very much in line with the new world we used to do, so I thought I'd share. I don't expect anybody to buy this. I'm not looking for any marketing on this. This really was just, hey, look, I'm doing things. So I hope everyone's well. It's nice to have the moment to pop into here. Rebecca and the kids are doing awesome. And yeah, so thanks for letting me share. I hope that this is interesting, and I'll let you guys know if I actually manage to sell one of these. But seriously, it's just good to get my hands on things and to feel like I've created something. So I love you all. Be great and be good to yourselves.